when we have power of a power, multiply exponents. So a to the power m, and this is to the power n, this is just equal to a to the power m times n. Examples are, this is a law, and examples are 2 to the power 3, and this everything to the power 2. In this case, we have to write 2 and multiply exponents. This will be 3 times 2, or 2 to the power 6, which is 64. Next example, assume we have a to the power 2, a squared, times b to the power 3, divided by 3 to the power 4. And this everything to the power 3. So in this case, we have a to the power 2 times 3 times b, we can write dot, or we can avoid it, b to the power 3 times 3 divided by c to the power 4 times 3, or this is a to the power 6 times b to the power 9 divided by c to the power 12. Next example, next law number 6. Any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. It can be, for example, 999 to the power 0 is 1. 2 over 3 to the power of 0 is 1, and so on. Next law, law number 7, is a to the power minus n is equal to 1 divided by a to the power n. This is actually can be shown. Let's prove it. And we will use previous laws in this case. This symbol means we begin the proof of this result. So since we have a to the power n times a to the power minus n, using previous rules, previous laws, this will be a to the power n minus n, which is a to the power 0, which is 1. Or we have a to the power n times a to the power minus n is equal to 1. Now we divide both sides of our equation by a to the power minus n, and we have a to the power n is equal to 1 divided by a to the power minus n. So we have a proof of this result. And let's give an examples for this law. For example, 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 over 2 to the power 3, or 1 over 8. 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 over 3 to the power 2, or 1 over 9. We have in particular a result that a over b to the power minus n will be b over a to the power n. So we write a positive we change the sign of our exponent, but we have to interchange numerator and denominator. Let's prove this result. It's quite easy. Let's begin our proof. A over b to the power minus n, using previous result, is a divided by a over b to the power n, which is equal to, using previous laws, a to the power n divided by b to the power n, which is equal to, by definition, this is equal by definition, or we write equal by definition, 1 divided by a to the power n over b to the power n. Using, we can transform division into multiplication. Watch our arithmetic playlist. And 1 can be written as 1 over 1. So this is 1 or 1 over 1 times b to the power n times divided by a to the power n, or just b to the power n divided by a to the power n. Using previous laws, this is b divided by a to the power n. To the power n. So we have a result, and if we rewrite it, we have a result here. So this formula can be used, for example, if we have a example 2 over 3, and this is to the power minus 2, is equal to 3 over 2 to the power 2. Or this is equal to 3 squared, which is 9, divided by 2 squared, which is 4. Thank you for your attention. It was everything for this tutorial. Like us and subscribe, and have a great day.